Hi, I'm Martin, and I'm taking AP Chemistry right now.
And I'm Kevin. I've taken Honors Chem, and I'm currently taking AP Chem.
We made this video to help out anybody new to Chemistry with Mr. Jagor.
We know that you might have heard some pretty scary things about this class, but don't worry. After these videos, we're sure you can pull through.
To help you out, we've come up with 4 big things that we think are the most important in helping you succeed in chemistry.
Let's get started. We'll start with the one we find most important. Make friends and make connections. Now you might be wondering, how in the heck is that the most valuable thing we got? But trust me, you'll thank us later.
Don't be this guy, be this guy. Knowing people in class has a lot of advantages.
There are going to be things you don't know, so having that trusty friend to ask for clarification can be a chapter saver.
Skyping the night before a test or quiz or even during homework can also really help.
You motivate each other. Use that to your advantage.
This one's pretty obvious, but not really followed all too much. Pay attention in class and take notes.
We know, this class can get really tiring, especially if it's in the morning, but you're just going to have to fight through it.
Don't let this happen to you.
Another thing, make sure you read. We know that you won't get to it every day, but it actually really helps.
You don't just learn by just sitting there, you learn by being engaged and active, and reading is one of the easiest ways to do that.
And a 45-minute class period is just not enough to learn everything.
There's gonna be things that you won't go over in class, but those things can be on the test.
And the fourth big idea, don't fall behind. Whether it's a week or a day, it'll be much harder than you think.
Concepts in chemistry build off of each other. Skip a block and you'll have a very shaky foundation.
Now I know what you're thinking, I'll just cram through it the night before. It's somewhat doable, but you'll be doing yourself a huge favor if you actually study a little bit ahead of time.
Remember, inch by inch is a cinch, but yard by yard is very hard.
Although these are the 4 big ideas, we have a few rapid fire tips that really saved our butts this year.
Do test corrections.
Make sure you finish your homework.
Use outside sources like Khan Academy.
His website, ChemStoked, has a lot of useful information.
Take advantage of extra homework questions.
And finally, make sure you review your quizzes. A lot of those questions end up showing up on tests later.
But don't just take advice from us. Here are some of the things that others had to say.
Make sure to pay attention in class and do the problems he assigns. That way, it reinforces what you learn in the classroom.
Take notes. Do your test corrections, it really helps.
Make sure you're ready to memorize some formulas.